Hello guys, I'm Sarah Ariel from Israel. You already know about me for the Shake Up the Hacking related videos. You know that I am a professional hacker and penetration tester. Okay guys, today I have come to you with a new tutorial. How to cash out black market credit card fools fund from Amazon.com, that means from this black market. We will buy fools from any vendor and you will spend all available balance from fools through Amazon.com, or you will purchase service or expensive products from Amazon.com and sell them with your component fee. Guys, today I have brought to you a trusted vendor, the one. For carding, I depend on some vendors from the dark web and it is my one of favorite vendors for a credit card. This is the trusted vendor's website. I hope you will browse their website thoroughly and let me know about your carding experience with this vendor. So guys, we will purchase fools from here. 15 minutes express delivery. I will try to record the whole process here. Guys, for making a review video, I am going to purchase this Visa Gold service at 99 USD. For purchasing it, I have to click on the Pay with Bitcoin button. When you will click on this, a form will appear and have to fill that out. Basically, you have to make payment to them by filling in that form information. This is the form it has generated. So guys, here I will put my email address. I will put my contact email as my official mail. I am providing this mail. Guys, I request you to watch my other tutorial videos. Actually, I make a video on carding on the dark web. You will find many tutorial videos of mine in my YouTube channel and on my website we will be able to watch my all videos together, okay? Guys, the vendor's payment information has been generated. I will come back after making the payment. Actually, I do payments from my phone's Bitcoin wallet. I will be back after sending to this address this amount of Bitcoin, okay? These are the usual process. For making this review video, I am showing you the purchase process. But today's main topic of this learning video is how you can cash out the black market credit card fools fund through Amazon.com. Which card we are going to buy? It is loaded with $1,850. So guys, after purchasing this card, how can you add this card to Amazon.com and purchase anything from Amazon? The whole process I am going to record for you guys. So guys, I am going to make payment to our vendor now. Till that, stay with me guys, okay? I will be back after the payment. I am logging into my phone's wallet. I have sent it to them guys. Guys, they have my payment within a second. Now I will go to check my email. Yeah guys, 2 mails have arrived at my mail address. Look, this is our confirmation mail from Blockonomic Payment Gateway. And this is from the one sales. I am opening it. Yeah, they have received our order as they have announced that they will deliver my order within 15 minutes. So we have to wait a bit more. Guys, it's a long while but the mail has not yet arrived. I hope they will not take any longer time and will send us the mail within a very short time. Checking in the spam box. Sometimes it is marked as spam, but nothing here also. Guys, our mail has come. Order fulfilled. Now I am gonna open it. See here. This order reference number is this. They have sent me 2 files. One is a text file and the other one is a tutorial file. Now I will open the text file and here I will go to Amazon.com. Now we have to create an Amazon account. We will create this account according to the full details. Then we need a Gmail account. We log into a Gmail account. Now we will provide this Gmail here. I am creating a password here and then clicking on verify email. Yeah guys, our verification has been completed. An OTP has come to our email. I am putting this OTP here. Now we have to provide a phone number here. I will use a US phone number here. Guys, I have given them a phone number. Now I am putting the OTP here 289479. Then I am clicking on create your Amazon account. Now I have logged in automatically on Amazon.com. This is my account. Here I will choose the account option, then clicking on your payment. Now I have to add a payment method by clicking on this yellow button. Then we will click on add a credit card or debit card. Now we will provide our card here. Now I am clicking on the add your card button. Now I have to provide an address. We must have to fill up this form with the exact information that the one has sent to us. The phone number has to be put from that billing number. Then click on use this address. Guys, then tick on set as default payment method and click on save. Guys, look here. This is a business card. It has been added to my account according to their information. Wow guys, we have successfully added this card we purchased from the one to the Amazon payment server. Now I will try to purchase a thing through this card. Suppose you like to watch the Amazon Prime video. Then go to Amazon Prime. Look here, whatever you will be doing to buy from Amazon, your same payment information will be shown to the Amazon checkout page automatically. Now I am choosing Amazon Music also, then I am clicking on start your 30 days free trial. Guys, now they will accept the card. Welcome. Guys, we have added a card to Amazon.com very easily, and I have also shown you the purchase process of some of Amazon's services. So guys, I have shown you proof of carding from the dark web vendor, the one and the successful uses of that curse fund. Okay guys, that's all for today. Stay with my channel for more tutorials. Happy coding, happy surfing. Bye bye.